Hello, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel. My name is Florence Straka. On this channel, you will learn how to make fresh homemade smoothies, fresh juice, and some recipes and more. I like to experiment things, especially when it comes to smoothies, recipes, and juicing. So these are the things that you'll be learning on this channel. And I am glad to have you here. Take a look around, and if you like something on this channel, and as time goes on, I'll be showing you more of simple produce, vegetables that I use to make juices, smoothies, fresh that you don't need, and you just make that at home at your leisure anytime. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as I'll be bringing you a lot of tips and easy simple ways to make your smoothies every single day. So thank you for being here. Take around, let me know if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and I will see you in the inside. So welcome. Feel free to take a look around, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below for me, and I will answer them for you. As always, you are welcome. So I will see you in the inside.